Today I'm going to show you how to make a cocktail that celebrates the town of Puebla, just east of Mexico City. And how does it celebrate the town of Puebla? With this beautiful liqueur that's made there that is called Ancho Reyes. It is an ancho chili liqueur. And we're going to start off, this by the way is a cocktail that my daughter Lanie created for our Frontera bar. And it starts off with 1.5 ounces of this Ancho Reyes. I'm putting it into a wine glass filled with some ice because we're going to build this sort of like your very favorite Aperol Spritz. We call this a Puebla Spritz. So in goes the Ancho Reyes. I am going to put in an orange liqueur, and I'm going to do 3/4 ounce of orange liqueur. Now what I am using here is a brandy-based, one of our favorite brandy-based ones. And this one is the Pierre Ferrand. It says dry curacao. You could use other orange liqueurs, but the depth of flavor you get on this one is particularly delicious here. And then, as with an Aperol Spritz, we are going to finish it off here with about 3 ounces of sparkling wine. The better the wine, the better this whole thing is going to taste. I'm going to put a slice of orange in there. Now, for those of you that want to go further down the trail of stuff from Puebla, I'm going to say this Puebla mezcal called Ojo de Tigre is really good. And if you want to use that in here, I would do a split base, about 3/4 ounce of mezcal and 3/4 ounce of the Ancho Reyes. This is refreshing. It's good. It's Puebla through and through. Salud.